Breaking news for everyone in Delhi NCR. The Supreme Court has just passed a massive order. Authorities have been directed to remove all stray dogs from the streets and place them in animal shelters. This comes after a rise in public safety concerns and dog bite incidents, but this has sparked a huge debate. Is this a necessary step for safety or a tragedy for the dogs? What do you think? Tell me in the comments and follow Life with Veronica for more updates.